History is important. And no, briefly, me prefer Honorable Kennedy Japan in history. As Sembia occur in the past. Yes, Sembia to maybe tarnish his reputation, Derby. Honorable Kennedy Japan or your beer, ye don't know MPP mu, you don't know pa, you don't know. It is our wish until Linda Akwaba say he will remain in a new patriotic party. Okay, is our wish. But some people to become a leader, no, and a one day event, a process. I use the example of Moses for you. Say Moses, because he was supposed to become the leader of the children of Israel, God trained him. Jesus, from his childhood, was trained. Any leader, David, for him to become leader of Israel, he was trained. When him say, Ebra anointed David, no, he anointed no. Between that anointing to the time he became leader, it was more than 20 years. Yeah. And even David Crown, he anointed in no. So be leader no. It was not automatic. And the obi bia person a leader biano. And say obi bia destined to be a leader biano. That person must go through training. He must go through training. Anybody who skips that training, obi bia or skips that training biano, sa nipa no, who the power manner, obi collapse your mind. No? The person will collapse our dear nation. And that is what the risk involved if we elect anybody other than Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia to lead the NPP. 2018, Honorable Kennedy Japan, or your interview be with GH1 TV. Thanks to all those comments, and leader, thank you for your comment. And this is what Honorable Kennedy Japan said. 2018 Ghana Web, 30th March 2018. I have no presidential ambition. Kennedy Japan. 30th March 2018. I have no presidential ambition. Kennedy Japan. 2018 no. Honorable Kennedy Japan ye adult. As at this time no, now we be 18 years experience or parliament. 18 years experience. And the onwatinasi. And he looked at the future, looked at the past, looked at himself. And Obra openly beka say, onu Kennedy no, on pesa obey your mampeni wa Ghana da. Also on pesa on pe. Now we will go into the story. Then you will read the words of Honorable Kennedy Japan himself. 2018, date no 30th March 2018, Ghana Web. Now, yanko story anymore. This is the story. It reads, New Patriotic Party, NPP, Member of Parliament for Asin Central Constituency, Kennedy Japan says he has no ambition of aspiring or serving as President of the Republic of Ghana, the highest political office most politicians will kill for. Where brofo by a simple, as it say, Honorable Kennedy Japan, it's a mrashe bedria, Charlie, she the easy you, but just to mean that Honorable Kennedy Japan, Member of Parliament, member of Parliament, ma Asin Central for no. Wakasa and Nikasa Muno see. He does not have any. Anthony is laughing. See, he does not have any intention. So, Mampeni or Ghana. Now, before you become president, you must be a flag bearer. And so, or see on person obey or Mampeni no. All he means, he say he doesn't want to become flag bearer too. 2018 and okay. Now let's continue. Second paragraph. See, according to the firebrand lawmaker, he prefers being a business and a member of parliament serving and representing the interests of Asin Central constituents. Kennedy Japan no 30th March 2018 no MPP first tenure ɛwɔ power mu ɔsi den ɔsi ɔno kene Japan no ni vision nyina ne sɛ ɔno ni business nko any adwuma ɔyɛ wɔ parliament no ɛno nko na ɛfa ne ho enti sɛ ɔbaba yɛ ɔman peni deɛ ɔni saa time. And this is Kenya Japan being quoted. Or see the third paragraph. Or see then, no, I don't want to be president. I just want to be myself, a very good businessman. I can do it. Just that I'm not interested. I prefer being a businessman than a president. I don't want to grow so old early. Ebushanfo, please pay attention to the last statement Kenya Japan said. Or see then, I don't want to grow old so early. Kenya Japan no. 2018 no. Or see, I don't want to grow old so early. And our Kenya Japan name no, obia obey man penny biano, it requires a lot of thinking. Now, obia o dream, ultimately that's a dream, every day we dream biano, you union them. Kenya Japan say he doesn't want to grow old so early, and he doesn't want to become president. He doesn't want it. He doesn't want to become flag bearer, he doesn't want to become president. And this is what Honorable Kenya Japan said. Our GH1 TV. Interview no YouTube. Okay? Interview no. Our YouTube. Go and watch it for yourself. So it means the man knew himself on him capacity. On him pass Honorable Kenya Japan him say, you can be a good businessman, but a very bad leader. Oh yes, when it comes to political leader as a president. Oh they could be US for. If you say me try could be where they make a chimu, minka or English mo. Could be US for. Say, obi bia ultimate businessman bia no better president ah. She US for last US ni be I mean, ye ma me back or US or live so. I say me no kai. I say mo so. Anti-partition so see, of course, we are suffering. No, they say, okay, US or why ding ding. Yeah. Yes, I'll be built me a business, be an about my man penny. No, be built, yes, sir, and cosa. And to say, I'll be what cold store, so I'll be what way, so I'll be what way, and just say, I'm standing pan bet my man penny. Now, where the Nipa Nankasa Neka say on person be president. On one Nekai. And to say, Precope, this Nipa the same person Oka say, on person on yin tem. On the children, the yen day. And on person on jai children, no be on manpenino. And to need any business, ni MP no. And then I necessary dear. I call it to say a man number your manpenia, and the party nungu. Say strange. One Mr. Things are so expensive. US one a casa, US one air president or a businessman, successful businessman, and a president or US, but and US for no. Omuntimi come asem. Yeah. Say some many workers are US, Oko US their government is going to shut down because they have failed to pass the expenditure bill. Businessman air president no. The businessman our president oba president muno oba ye president no oba man peni no wa pam microphone easy. So omudi Office of Government Efficiency or see Dodge Department of Government Efficiency na Elon Musk na di anu no omu pam microphone easy. And this businessman be catch us say me na me wo 7,000 workers no. It does not mean say nipa no obey your man penny obey me fan crowd into the public sector. They doesn't work like that. US is a typical example. Ma pam crowd easy. Fitness stands for power tapping. But what you see, nobody uses his pocket money. Or therefore says that we are dying in silence. Or therefore so are US. So we are dying in silence. I want to make us. Yeah, I want to make us. US, they say, Omu Pamu Microphones are even lawyers who were working at the Aegis department. Omu Pamu. They closed down US aid. Have you forgotten? They closed it down. Expenditure no see there be businessman no. What shut it down. You get it. So please, let's not even use that business thing. And to your partner say, before you become president of Ghana, no, it's all your businessman. And to your doctors, your pharmacists, your nurses, midwives, lawyers, yeah. We cannot become president again. A business phone kwa. Hey, it was for. MAGA fans are regretting. Kofa move 40 man. Trump, no, they are regretting. Every day it's getting crazy. Getting crazy day by day. That was US. And that one day. And the Bushian for and then so I've shown you say, Kere Japan on one neck sa on peso be your mampeni. On one neck. On one neck. And why he has changed his mind, it can only be mysterious. Now, unsemo hopa just say, me believe he say, we don't have to pull him down. We don't want to become like him. Several years ago, I listened to a preaching by Archbishop Duncan Williams, the Abemus. He said something to say, what you forgive, you get rid of. And the media, let's forgive on working in Japan, but we cannot make him our leader. We cannot. Someone who in short say how a cousin losing his seat in parliament. Ebia say how a cousin in parliament and there. Ebia NDC for they will not be bullying people in parliament like the way they are doing. Look at how NDC for and Neskumi omutitin sama a branch no way because of one seat to one seat. But be where a party more or see ni member be showdown nukre so while making sure say Mamini losing his seat. And there are a lot of people like that. Sylvester now you're MP. Honorable Ken said one supporting and they were making sure say Sylvester we're losing his seat. A lot of people like that. A lot of them like that. Where are my how do you call it? Where are my moderators? Obviously, me Jimmy do, but I'm blocking the mommy why. And Jimmy anka. On type piece out me blocking now me too. I'm blocking for very. Sorry about that. Ebusham for. Enti, she said that who say Honorable Ken die, enya dia obetimi lead as flag bearer. Na say enyina yegitum say Honorable Ken ontimi ye flag bearer. Enye why no betimi ye flag bearer no? Ebusham NPP party no. A party of different skills, different intellect. She anybody that comes forward and the delegate of MPP vote for to become flag bearer, Sanipa Obetumia govern this country better than anybody NDC will bring. Timothy ye. Now, Upa MPP moi. If we are talking about experience, nobody. Obviously, he cannot represent us in United Nations. Nana say the voice of Biel grow. Oh, me for haircut on Mate. Terry says that the most intelligent person to lead Ghana to the fourth industrial revolution. I agree with you, Terry. I'm a papa be said Dr. Baumia. Yeah. It's for the person. Okay, then thank you so much. Okay. The best person to lead MPP. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Remember, I told you we have 3 years to be under the flag bearer that we will vote for. We want a flag bearer that is able to forgive. We want a flag bearer that can stand in front of Ghanaians and say that Ghanaians, I was vice president. Nema bi wo wa yanye ni ye. Mo fan cheye ye pamucho. We want that kind of flag bearer. We want a flag bearer that cares for us, the grassroots. Yeah. Dr. Bawumia does care for the grassroots. Let me give you a typical example. About a month ago, I said the Andrew month 3 weeks ago. Now we were live with her. I'm going to say, munya mi show. Na sada no menim na asi obi am pese onye misio. Enti mi wo ho a na me hu se momo alert bi eba me phone so. Mi ko check scan me nka nkyerɛ mu. Na me bi say one na send me scanner nipa no nka na me nda nipa na ase for me to thank the person. E wo live ni so obi an oni app. Mi call me WhatsApp so obi an oni na me say na one na send me scan we. And a miracle money. And then because die. And then me cry me say okay. Let me quickly transfer the money so that MTN phone won't say a mistake or more in free my account. I got a phone that you film party. And but I didn't transfer it by the way. To me call die. Me sorry and I'm in a text message. Text message I mean and he said I hope you received some money from Dr. Bawumia yesterday. And I'm saying, hey, and this kind of every Bawumia ho. Wow. Can I say, Ebra your opposition mono. Dr. Bawumia knows say to be a communicator. Say me a communicator. Me call radio debia. For us young people, say yes sorry debia. You call radio. Ne you call basahano. On him say yeah easy. He thought about me. Dr. Bawumia, he thought about me. And was sending me momo. Unya leader be say e opposition ma. Eboa. When kwandie say for the remaining 4 years, e opposition mo. One sending me shempo bioma. At least this gesture alone keeps me going. It makes me feel belonged. Kwana says that all the NDC members are scared of Dr. Bawumia. Enokre. NDC for nyina nem say Dr. Bawumia is the most prepared candidate. Hypothesis said me my share. I said we see about 3 weeks ago. Sorry. NDC for them. And NDC for so among them say I can't 9 pet. We are going to a contest. Ya present you bida. Nipa no ya presenting no. NDC for your campaign tiano. Now you was second term mo. Na corona ba. Na 2022 what depression insu bibia omunyina see. But despite all those things no. Ghana for more than 4 million still said say in Bawumia we trust. So they went out to go and vote for Bawumia. Despite everything we went through, despite all the difficulties, despite the despite alawanu yegisu yentu, despite everything, 4 million plus Ghanaians still went out to vote for Bawumia. So tell me, now that we are in opposition, no, Ghanaians are beginning to see say sano unsembe bre NDC for Kano na yentro. Omusi Haptel Bawumia die. Afe die NDC for na makoti na Haptel. 20th anniversary celebration as here. Mubose muntunyo. Sana yetunyo no. Debut. You see, muntunyo. They are enyom they are skipping me. Afe die NDC for na makoti na asem papa bie mati. Oye. NDC for ever Haptel program as you. And say amenu ye kasa no Ghana for name say Haptel enye Bawumia die. Na ye opposition mu nso no. Afi the NDC for say bibi wo ho a ye oral. NDC for almost be wire or a day, Sankophobia, we are sky or Akufo Abaimo. And I did books, pages, by over 1,000 pages. 1,000 po. By 5,000 pages. Terry, why you laughing at Terry? She BBU. Over 5,000 pages book. And I'm coming to mama saying, go for way now, we are sky or Akufo Abaimo. For the most wonderful thing in say, in all the over 5,000 pages, and this for say oral, the name Bawumia has not appeared even once. Bakupese krano, Bawumia di ambim. Bawumia di ambim. Say corruption, nothing like that. Obia vice president for 8 years. Oh, no deal. Not one Ghana cedi. Obianti mi kase Bawumia denisanka 1 Ghana cedis of a mine way. No wonder businessmen are coming out to say omuna na omu supporti Bawumia campaign. It tells you say papa no onibi uncle we be. That is the person we want as flag bearer in MPP. Me when I saw Dr. Brian come out say, and Bawumia campaign no, Eastern region no, or no sponsor I said, God, thank you. Thank you. It means say Bawumia skabia or biano, he can account for it. Asante Man Empire TV say Bawumia is the most honorable politician we have today. Asante Man, thank you for that comment. Terry said DMB today, tomorrow, and forever. Ebushanfo. Let us all come on board and campaign for Dr. Bawumia. Finally, you can start sending your requests. I'll pick you. Let's talk, okay? Finally, and he said, last week, University of Ghana 4-year research B. Muteni yeo. University of Ghana, Legon. Omu research B last week. Now research no. Ghana 4-year bisa omu say Mahama ni 4 years ne ba wie ya. Why na mu pese ombe ye o mampeni? Muntie. Ghana 4-year bisa omu say Mahama ni 4 years e ba wie ya. Whom do you want to take after Mahama? There were different options there. Kennedy Japan wo ho. Asiedun Ketia wo ho. Julius Debra wo ho. Bawumia wo ho. Wambio and Jinano Pukwachiman e wo ho. So far I've mentioned about 5 names. And all these things were on the list. Mere options. Our research nemo. Where your university research when you say MPP for na research university research. Now, on we are serving no. Bawumia kwanya 30%. In fact, 36%. Should say 36% of Ghanaians want Bawumia to be the next president. Nipa beye 5 or 6. The next person on the list, Aya Jinana Pukwajiman. Guess what? She got about 14%. See the gap. It tells you, say, Ghanaians are crying, they are wailing, they want Bawumia to come and lead this nation. Nipa na omu se omu percent Kenya Japan by president, omu ye 4% pay. 36% want Bawumia, 4% want Kenya Japan. That is the voice of Ghanaians. Oh. Baby is laughing. Ghana 4 voice, no. And the MPP 4. So you call a mistake. Now you do be ba anye Bawumia. Ghana 4 bube free, papa. Now, research no so no. Omu ye research ewo MPP. Go for omu ye MPP 4 mo. Enye delegates so MPP 4. See, why ne pesa obeye? One amu pesa obeye next president. Over 70%. Muntieni ye. Over 70% of the respondents who identify with the New Patriotic Party want Bawumia to be the next president of Ghana. Delegates, this is what the party is saying. This is what the party's grassroots is saying. At the mood and say a top down approach. Delegates mutiny. A top down approach. And the party for say omupe Bawumia somebody flag bearer. Say mu nim na koye mistake a. Ye beto abatia mu nyina. Yeah. Mu de mu nim sem koye mistake a. Enye just know that you are in your last year as constituency chairman, secretary, police station chairman. Just know you are also on your way out. Because the research from the University of Ghana has shown, say, 70% of MPP for say omupe Bawumia as the next leader. So we cannot make a mistake. Now, among delegates, first, Ghana for omupe Bawumia. Secondly, among MPP 4, 70% omupe Bawumia. Among delegates was the last one. Over 66% of delegates are saying, say, their vote is for Bawumia. It cannot be a mistake. It is because Bawumia is tolerant. Bawumia cares about you. Bawumia says it is possible. Bawumia says Ghana should be ready for the 4th industrial revolution. If you send your request, let me pick you